Hey guys, in this video I will be unboxing and reviewing my Haan Zerogrand Wingtip Oxfords. But before I do that, if you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing. This video will actually be a short impression as well as unboxing of the Haan Zerogrand Wingtip Oxfords. So let's get into it. I actually got the British tan with ivory sole. So here's what they look like. It has a wingtip design as well as the Zerogrand branding over here, as you can see. So I actually wore this once already to find out how comfortable they really are. And I must say that it feels like you're walking on clouds. I mean, for a dress shoe, they're very, very comfortable. As well as they're versatile. You can actually wear chino pants as well as dark denim pants, distressed jeans, or your navy blue suits, dark gray and black suit would actually complement this shoe. But personally, I'd rather stick to my other Haan Oxford for those type of formal events. So I'd say that I'd use this Oxfords in a more dressed down style, in a more casual look. Another thing I noticed about the wingtip Oxford is that they are quite narrow. So if you're a person who has wide feet like me, I suggest you go for the wider version of the shoe since it comes in a medium version and a wider version of the shoe. So if you're size 8, you could actually get the size 8 in the wider option. Or if not, you could actually opt for the size 8.5 in the medium version of the shoe. So other than that, I think the wingtip Oxfords are a very comfortable and versatile shoe that would actually complement a lot of styles in how you dress, as well as you can actually use them in different events and functions. So that's all we have for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, as well as if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing, as I will be posting more videos such as this one, and more updates will be coming in the next few days. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.